I like my coffee strong. I like my coffee flavorful. I like my coffee fresh. And for me, a cup of coffee is actually 2 cups. It is about 16 ounces, just a little bit shy of a pint. So if I'm going to make coffee fresh, the first thing that I will do is take this 2 cup, 1 pint Pyrex measuring cup and pour in 16 ounces, 2 cups, 1 pint of water. Put it in the electric kettle. This one is very nice. It heats quite rapidly, and you can set the temperature. So I'm setting the temperature at 200 degrees. So it stops just short of a rolling boil. And then start heating. While that is heating, and it heats very fast, I grind the coffee. I use Sumatra whole bean coffee. And I set the grinder around fine, somewhere between fine and medium. Even though this is sort of like French press, as you'll see in a moment, I do not grind it coarse because I don't leave the water on it terribly long, just enough to bring out the flavor, as you will see. When it is ground, I put it into the cup, the measuring cup, tap it a little bit to get all the coffee out. Okay. You can hear that the water is getting hot. And it is only a brief, wait right now. What I think that this method does is combine the best of French press and filter. I love French press coffee, but it's terribly difficult and annoying, in my humble opinion, to have to clean up after it. So, how best to deal with the grounds is, I think, one of the key secrets of this particular method. So in a moment or two, my 2 cups worth of water should be just very close to a boil. I'm not editing this video, so you can get a sense of just exactly how long it takes from start to finish to brew coffee this way. Personally, I think it is worth the effort to have a good, fresh cup, and it only takes a couple of minutes to make the 2nd cup and, well, and the 3rd cup. And that pretty much is about it for me in a morning. It is getting close, but as they say, a watched pot never boils. There it goes. So we take the 200-degree water, pour it quickly up to the 2-cup level, and then stir. And let it brew for, not very long. Basically, I let it brew just about the length of time it takes to take out the filter cone, number 4, and put it into the filter cone holder. This is another secret. You have to get one of these that has 3 holes on the bottom. They fit nicely over the cup, and as you will see in a moment, bring this a little closer, they allow the coffee, the 3 holes allow the coffee to drain through the filter quite quickly. Now while it's draining, I rinse off the sides of the measuring cup. Rinse the coffee grounds off the sides with a little bit of water. You'll see why in a moment. Notice this is also usually very clean, but I did get a little spot on the counter. You can see it is getting very close. Well, no, you can't quite see that way. Perhaps you can see this way. It's getting very close. And just a few more minutes and all the good coffee will have drained through. A few more moments, I should say. And it's just about there. So, when it has all drained, take the filter cone off, put it over the drain in your sink, and take your first sip of a wonderful, flavorful cup of coffee. Now, the last thing, coffee grounds are not good for sinks. So, I try to get as many of the coffee grounds out of here as possible simply by pouring it through the filter, and it goes into the drain, and then I can remove the filter and put it very easily into a wastebasket. So there you have it. Enjoy.